Hey there, I'm Neely, and I'm going to show you the Hub by GoDaddy Pro's homepage. This is the starting point to view your clients, sites, and projects. Getting to the homepage is very simple. If you've already opted in, just log into your account to see the Hub. You can also visit hub.godaddy.com in your address bar at any time too. There is a navigation pane on the left-hand side of the screen. You can hover over the pane to expand it. You'll see Home, Clients, Projects, Sites, and All Products in the navigation pane. The navigation pane collapses if you're no longer hovering over it, and if you would like to remain expanded, you can click on the right-facing arrow. If you click on the account icon in the top right corner, you'll have some additional options. You'll see your customer number and PIN at the top of that pane that flies out. You can also view your account settings, renewal and billing, and even open a support ticket. The center section of the page reflects what you select from the left-hand pane. When you click on Home, you'll be able to view and add clients, manage and create new projects, and also manage sites right from the Hub. On the right-hand side of the page, there are two sections: Common Tasks and Quick Links. In the Common Tasks area, you'll see some of the same options as you see in the middle section. You can create a new project, connect a new site, add an existing site, add a client, shop, and manage billing. Quick Link section has links for all products, domains, hosting, projects, sites, and clients. Clicking All Products displays your My Products page, where you can access and manage any products you own. You'll also see deals from GoDaddy partners. Clicking Domains takes you to a list of domains that are attached to your account. From here, you can manage your domains. Clicking on Projects takes you to the Projects page. This is where you create or manage projects for your clients. Clicking on Sites shows you all sites that you have connected to your GoDaddy Pro account. And clicking on Clients takes you to a list where you can create a new client or manage an existing client. Overall, the Hub by GoDaddy Pro is here to help you navigate your clients, sites, and projects easily, all in one place. I'm Neely. Thanks for watching.